I'm David Lowe. I run a company called Profab Engineering, based about 10 miles from Ballymena in Northern Ireland. We have an emphasis on producing a very high quality part for the architectural and fit out markets. So first heard about the Swift-Cut plasma tables through their YouTube promotional videos. When we were researching the market for a machine, we had noticed that a lot of the competitors' machines were Chinese built, and for us we felt that the UK build quality and the UK and Irish service backup that is available for the Swift-Cut machine was really its massive selling point. We produce all of our own parts for our own products. We would be cutting a range of materials from 0.9 stainless steel right up to 15mm mild steel. We also do some small batches of subcontract cutting. Before we got the Swift-Cut, we weren't doing any of this work ourselves. It was all farmed out to subcontract, and really that was the main point for us buying a machine, to bring that all in-house and gain control of it. The amount of time this machine has saved our company is immeasurable. We have went from putting on a drawing to an email, sending it to a subcontractor, waiting on them having an available slot to cut those parts, then sending a man to collect them, to now we just create a drawing on the software, load a sheet onto the machine and cut it right away. It has went from days and weeks of lead time to hours of lead time. The machine has benefited our business greatly. We have went from producing parts that we would have been traditionally saw cutting, possibly radiusing corners on a linisher, drilling holes, to profile cutting those parts. We can create a more intricate part, better for the task that we're wanting to do in a fraction of the time. We've been looking at a repayment period on the machine of around 13 months. However, that has been based on solely our outgoings for subcontract cutting before we purchased the machine. We have picked up some subcontract cutting ourselves, which will have considerably shortened that period. Customer service from Swift-Cut and engineering machinery has been excellent. I have had no issues at all with their customer service. So the machine arrived here on a Friday afternoon. It was set into position where we wanted it. On the Monday morning, a Swift-Cut engineer arrived here about 8:30, and by 2 o'clock that afternoon we were producing our first profile cut parts on our new machine. The machine is very easy to use, very user friendly. If you have a basic grasp of using a PC, you'll have no issue at all running the software on this machine. We have had no issues at all with the machine since it has been installed. It has run faultlessly since the installation. So when we purchased the machine, we chose the Swift-Cut Pro 3000 table, and we coupled it with a Hypotherm PowerMax 85 plasma source. The main reason for purchasing the machine was the ability to cut 3m by 1500 sheets. We run a 3m press brake, so it made sense for us to be able to cut 3 meters. Also, downdraft extraction was a big thing for us. The water table didn't really fit with the kind of work that we're doing. We've also liked the software on the machine. We're very pleased with that. At the time of purchase, we chose not to put any optional extras on the machine because we needed a machine in a hurry. There was a machine in stock that suited. We have since bought the plate marker, the Swift Mark plate marker. and we are also at the minute looking at the Swift Trace camera option. We believe that both of these will be a major benefit for our fabrication. We can mark out slots and tabs, things like that, on the plates for fabrication. Eliminates a lot of measuring. Also the camera option, we'll be able to trace intricate parts, save hours of drawing time for us. There's nothing that I would change about the machine. We're very happy with the way the machine has performed, with the quality of build, everything. The machine has really impressed us. We have been totally blown away with the machine. It has exceeded all of our expectations in reliability and accuracy, but most of all cut quality. We cut some 12mm mild steel kits for a local customer here. He has told us that he was getting these cuts cut before with a man who was running £100,000 high definition plasma. He said that we are constantly and consistently providing a better quality cut than he was receiving from his previous subcontractor. Cut quality has been exceptional on the machine.